going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm really nervous about this break. Oh yeah. 1718 Spectra. I have never bought a box of Spectra. The potential for getting somebody really good in this stuff is, it's there. It's definitely not guaranteed, and honestly, it doesn't seem like people were so crazy about this box. And with the rookie class, you would think they would be, but I guess Panini made it pretty tough to get some of the better rookies in here. I don't know. There's 3 autos, 3 mem cards. I'm honestly just hoping for one. If I could get one really good auto, I would be over the moon. But let me give a little backstory before I get into this. And don't worry, this break's not going to take very long. There's only 9 cards, so the video won't be 30 minutes. But I've been opening boxes. I got a lot of stuff in today, and I've been making videos for you guys. I did some this morning, some midday, and some here late in the day. And my luck today has been absolutely terrible. When you watch the break videos that I made today, you'll see what I'm talking about. It has been so bad that I honestly thought to myself, should I open this box of Spectra or just leave it? I know some people are like, you're crazy, luck doesn't work that way, but I don't know. I'm pretty superstitious. But with all of that said, I don't think I can sleep knowing this box is in here, because I really want to open it, because I've just really wanted to buy one of these boxes for the longest time. So I'm gonna open it, and I really hope I'm not making a big mistake right now. Oy oy oy. This stuff, oh, Spectra, the latest, there's the odds if anybody cares to see them. There's a lot of stuff there, because this stuff has a lot of different color variations. I don't remember, I've watched some of these breaks, but yeah, I don't remember how the cards come out, so we're just gonna do them as they come, I guess. Alright, just gonna set you back there. There's my big brick of cards. I think what we'll do, I don't know how I want to do this. I think we'll do it like I've done before and just open the pack, set it down, and pull out from the top. And what we get is what we get. Okay, well, that's not a bad start. Even this being the base card, this is probably worth 10 bucks. I mean, maybe even more, who knows. Super thick stock. So LeBron is card 1. Card 2 is an Isaiah Thomas gold /10. So we're off to a pretty good start here. I hope that doesn't mean that the hits are gonna drop in quality. This has a little scuff on it, but not too bad. Maybe a little print line there too, but Isaiah Thomas /10. Next is Bobby Portis Triple Threats. This is the neon blue and is numbered to 49. I think in baseball the neon blue's to 99, but here it's to 49. So Bobby Portis triple jersey. Frank Ntilikina next era jersey. This is numbered to 199. So this will be a rookie jersey, Ntilikina. So that's 2 jerseys so far. That's what do we have? 4 cards. Card number 5 is DeAndre Jordan Catalyst neon green. So it's numbered to 25. A sweet looking card for sure. So that's our 3 jerseys. Now things get serious. This is a gorgeous card. Here we go. Autographs. Darius Thornwell, not the best rookie to get for sure, but it is a rookie on card rookie jersey combo, numbered to 299. So that's auto 1. Number 2 is Kyle Kuzma. Yes, well, there we go. That's good. That's really good. 249. So a Kuzma auto. This is on card. Well, I feel better now. This has been so far so good, and we've still got one more to go. Let's see. Let's guess. Will the last one be a vet? We've already got 2 rookie autos. Wait, we got 2 more cards here. I think the last one's not an auto. Vince Carter to 49. Not bad. So a nice vet auto there. It is a sticker auto, but like I said, it's numbered to 49, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what this last card is. This last one is a Allen Iverson neon this is to 99. Whew, I can breathe a sigh of relief. That's not a bad box. Yeah, I mean, even the one base card was LeBron. The Isaiah Thomas to 10. I guess if there was one card that was like disappointing, I guess it would be this. This and Darius Thornwell. But yeah, I mean, everything else is pretty much, well, I guess the Ntilikina, but you know, he's still young, so you can't really call that a disappointment. And yeah, I don't know. It's not bad. Kuzma, DeAndre Jordan. I mean, but still, that's super short printed. So Kuzma, Vince Carter autos. I mean, it's not bad. Whew. I really was really nervous that this was gonna tank, because let me give you a little. I opened that earlier. Well, it was the full box. Watch that video. That was brutality at its finest. Wow, was it bad. So I was really, really, really nervous. So that's it. I'll quit talking now. Whew, I feel so relieved. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you all again very soon.